Hello, trading is closed on October 6, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. Yesterday's prediction was that the MEJT target of 1979.01 would print. It printed and was a helpful support as well as a resistance level throughout the day. Today, MEJT gave a sell signal early on, and that worked. It gave a buy later on. This is the target. By the time the signal was given, the target had been satisfied. So even though we went higher, we didn't have to, and that level was resistance. MEJT says this drop is not for keeps, gives us an optional target of 1988.25. If it doesn't print by tomorrow, I'd forget it, and a required target of 1986.24, most likely to print by early Thursday. Well, that's what the system says. As much as I like my system, I think that's a great risk of failing to print within its preferred time frame. For one thing, it's not good when you hit a new high and close negatively. It particularly is not good when you rally for a couple hours and can't close over any of the intervening highs. On this chart and some other charts, we have run just past the TDST line of resistance and then failed, meaning resistance so far has held. There is additional resistance from the 89-week moving average on the weekly chart. We have raced up to it and can't break through it, and unless we gap over it, that usually holds. As if that isn't negative enough, we had a combo sell yesterday on the 30-minute chart. Today we have a sequential sell also. Well, here's your stilt, here's a diamond. A diamond's a negative formation. Whether you have a stilt or not, this could still morph into something else. But if we get a stilt-like move down, the initial target is the origin of the left stilt, which is 50 handles south of where we closed today. I think that's not a very good risk-reward ratio when this 1986.24 price is only about 7 handles or so over where we closed. So we have a slightly higher MEJT target. That's what the system says. I think the risk of failure is increased, and regardless of whether we see that price or not, I think much lower prices are coming, and most likely reasonably soon, and that is today's call.